G'day guys, welcome back to Pokey Mechanical. Got a T31 Xtrail in. This goes from series 2009 right through to 2014, I think, 2013 maybe. I'm going to show you how to change the cabin filter. Now this is a little bit of a task on this car. So you have to unscrew and remove the whole glove box, I believe. I haven't done this before, so I'm going to teach you as I learn. Let's get in here. Okay, so to do this job we need to pull the actual glove box out. To get that out, we've got two screws down the bottom under here. Both of those need to come out. Once you've got those ones down the bottom undone, open the glove box up, and then you've got these screws up the top that need to come out, and there's ones down the back up there as well. Okay, so once you've got all the screws out of the top, the two at the very back corners, once they're all out, we can just grab this hinge, give that a good hard yank, and then this clip pops out of that hole, and this whole lot just pulls back out of the way. As you can see, that all coming out there. Just be careful, that light that you can see on the end of that white cable just there, that light right there is plugged into the back right there. So you've just got to get that out, and then you can pull it out. Okay, then it's a matter of reach right in here and see that black bit there that comes all the way down from there down. Pull that bit back, just grab the top of it. You can probably see my hand, just grab that there, and down the bottom it should just pull out this way. Yep, there we go. And that covers where the actual filter is, and that's the filter right there that you can see. So we've just got to now pull that out. I'm going to actually get a seal pick and pick that out. Okay, so I'm just going to use this seal pick, push it into the back of the filter, turn it around, and then that will enable me to be able to pull this out. And look at the crap falling out of this. This is going to be absolutely chockers, guys. Oh, look at the stuff falling out of it. I'm going to need the vacuum cleaner in here after I get this out. And it's massive. Oh, yuck. That definitely needs changing. Okay, so once you've got your new filter, just slide that in, and that'll just press up into that cavity and push right in there. They don't quite sit firm when you first put it in, but you just give it a bit of a wiggle around, and there's a step that it sits down into down in there that it's got a raised lip for. Once that's pushed in far enough, it'll go into that. Then you get your clip. Make sure that the elbow bit is at the bottom, and you can see the gap just through there. When that's level at the top, you'll know that the bottom's lined up. Oh, I'm doing it all by feel here at the moment. Alright, this is a bit hard to do with the phone and getting that to go in. The aircon piece is in the way for the bottom of it. Cool. So you hear the click at the bottom, and then you'll hear that piece just there. You'll hear that click at the top too. Right, then it's just a matter of putting your glove box back in. Okay, so the last bit is put your glove box in. Make sure you put all the screws in place that have got to go into it, and just basically the opposite procedure of what we did when we were pulling it out. So it's exactly the same. Go back in. Make sure when you put it in that you put the light back in the fitting that's in the back as well. Don't forget that part. Alright, see you on the next video, guys. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the tutorial, and if you like, hit the subscribe button. Catch up.